In this video I will tell you that how to see birthdays on Snapchat. So this is very simple. First of all, we will need to open up the Snapchat application here, and then we will actually tap on the profile image onto the top left here, and then if we scroll down we will tap on my friends list. So these all are my friends that are on a Snapchat. So if one of your friends have birthdays today, okay, then you should see a birthday cake icon next to their name. Like this fire icon is next to this name here, then you should see a cake icon next to their name, which means that today is their birthday. And when you tap on their profile image, and when you actually like go here, then here n- beneath the charms you will see a cake icon which indicates that today is their birthday. So that's how to see birthdays on Snapchat. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.